All right, so we got today. Ordered a few things from Amazon. Assuming this is probably for the garage. This is about all I order. Let's see. Oh yes, this is the foam cannon for my pressure washer. This is called FunTeck foam cannon. It's for my Archer K2 series electric pressure washer. Pretty sweet little setup. It should aid in cleaning the vehicles. The spring. Very nice. Have a soap adjustability. Looks like, yeah, you can increase, decrease foam, so we'll have to try that out. And we have the Mingle pressure washer extension wand that we also ordered for the pressure washer. Oh, nice. And activate my warranty. You probably wind up voiding the warranty anyway. Sweet. So it looks like we have several different heads. Assuming this is probably like a center, maybe, or a zero maybe, 15, 40%, a 25% angle. And then, oh no, this is 0, so what is the black? Let's try it out. Anyway, this is supposedly will fit onto my K2 series electric pressure washer. Definitely wanted to get some more heads for that guy anyway. Cleaning up vehicles, cleaning up the garage, cleaning the driveway, things of that sort. So yeah, to give this a shot. Got a quick disconnect. Pretty sweet. So yeah, we shall see. All right, cool. Excited to try these out. Just needs to warm up a little bit. Well, that's all the unpackaging we have for today. Our foam cannon and pressure washer wand. See you guys later.